Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3 is ready and Selenium is installed. This matters because versions must match. Once done, download the correct WebDriver for your browser and either add it to path or note its full path. Make sure to pick the WebDriver that matches your browser version, since mismatches cause failures. Next, create a simple script file and import WebDriver from Selenium. This is the first actionable step to get a browser instance running. You then write the core automation. Initialize the driver and navigate to the URL you want to test. Use find element methods to locate inputs and buttons, send keys to type, and click to interact. These are the building blocks. Once done, replace implicit sleeps with WebDriver wait and expected conditions so your script waits for elements reliably. Remember to catch exceptions around element lookups because pages change. Finally, wrap actions in try/finally so you always call driver. Quit. You finish by cleaning up. Add options like headless for CI, configure timeouts, and persist cookies if necessary. Once done, run the script end-to-end and verify outputs. Make sure to use stable selectors and explicit waits to avoid flakiness. If something breaks, capture a screenshot, save the browser logs, and check the WebDriver and browser versions. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Also, rerun with visual mode to observe failures manually and adjust selectors or weights accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.